and so they gave him medicinal compound. Now they move him round on wheels. He'll drink a drink a drink till Lily the Pink, the Pink, the Pink, the saviour of the human race. For she invented medicinal compound, was efficacious in every case. Old Ebenezer thought he was Julius Caesar, and so they put him in a bottle where they gave him medicinal compound, and now he's up on road. Johnny Hammer had a terrible sister, Twisted Hammer. He could hardly sustain a wonder, and so they gave him medicinal compound.